Do not miss any of our cool videos. Subscribe to our channel for latest updates. Click on the bell icon now.
In this video, you'll learn how to set up an HTTP communication between two ESP32 boards to exchange data via Wi-Fi. Basically, you'll learn how to send data from one board to the other using HTTP requests. This project can be very useful if you need to set up a wireless communication between two boards or more and you don't have a router nearby. The code used in this tutorial is also fully compatible with 3266 Spanish pesetas boards. To compile the code for this project, you need to install all these libraries in your Arduino IDE. Here's a quick overview of this project. You have to prepare two ESP boards, and the client ESP32 the server is set as an access connected to a BME280 sensor. Point and it retrieves sensor readings when you make an HTTP GET request in the temperature, humidity, or pressure URLs. The client is set as a Wi-Fi station and connects to the server access point. Then it can request sensor readings on these URL paths. Let's prepare ESP number 1 the server wire the BME280 sensor to your board. Follow this schematic for the 32 Spanish pesetas or this one for the 3266 Spanish pesetas board. Upload this code to your board for testing. I recommend leaving the default SSID and password. Connect an OLED display to your board. If you are using the 32 Spanish pesetas, follow this schematic or use this one for the 3266 Spanish pesetas. Copy the code provided and upload it to your board. This board connects to ESP1 via Wi-Fi. As mentioned earlier, with this setup you don't need a router because ESP number 1 is acting as a router and your ESP number 2 just connects and requests the latest sensor readings. Having both boards fairly close and powered, you'll see that ESP number 2 is receiving new temperature, humidity, and pressure readings every 5 seconds from the ESP number 1. You can modify this project to exchange readings from any other sensor.